What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we're continuing to look at projectors. The last 2 days we've looked at some projector screens, definitely check them out. Yesterday's projector screen, you can check that out right here, right around this. And it's pretty awesome, you definitely don't want to miss out on that. But today we're looking at a projector. This is the digital projector M4 by Apeman. It's a very small, compact projector. The M4 supports 1080p, so a resolution of 1920 by 1080 with a 1000 to 1 contrast ratio, but it has a native resolution of 854 by 480. Ooh, got a couple little boxes here. You gotta love accessories. All right, let's see, in the first box, we've got basic DC to USB adapter. Nice. We got about a foot long USB to micro USB cable. About a 2 foot long HDMI cable. It's a micro HDMI to HDMI adapter. And a cool little tripod. A hard plastic with rubber feet on it. That's kind of nice. It's not like the most heavy duty stand in the world, but considering the weight, this is more than enough. I'm kind of digging that. And you can fold it up real easily, just like that. Cool. Ooh, man, that is super tiny. Look at that. It feels pretty solid though. It doesn't feel super cheap. It's got a little rattle on the inside. So this is 98 by 98 by 21.5 millimeters. It's only about 200 grams, which is like 7 ounces, so it's pretty lightweight. It's about the same weight as my phone, and I've got the Note 5. It has a built-in 3.6 volt, 3400 milliamp hour rechargeable battery, so you're gonna be able to get about 2 hours of use out of a single charge, and the lens has a 45,000 hour lifespan. So on the front, you've got your lens, you got your little focus wheel. On the back, you've got a 3.5 millimeter jack for headphones or speakers, a USB port, HDMI, and micro USB. On the side here, you've got your power button, you've got plus and minus, that's probably for volume. On the bottom, you've got 4 little rubber feet, plus your tripod stand port, tripod hole socket. Bam. There it is. That's not bad. There we go, and you can adjust it. Definitely digging it. The micro USB port is for charging, and when you plug it in, you get these indicator lights on the top. There's actually 4, but only 3 of them are flashing, so it needs a little bit of charging first. We can't test it in here, so let's go to the theater, I guess? It's a theater now, so let's go test it out.
All right, so I got it set up to my computer. I got it on this makeshift stand right now, but so the screen size, this is about 41 inches right now. It looks pretty clear. Let's go ahead and turn something on. Video quality at this size is actually pretty sharp. I would say for, a small area, this would actually work pretty well, but let's make it bigger and see how it looks. Okay, so that's about 80 inches. It's doable. Obviously, the further you get away from your screen and how big it gets, it's gonna lose some brightness.
Stop this now!
Now the sound quality is okay. Don't expect like a lot out of these speakers. All right, well, I'm gonna wait a little while for night to hit and then we're gonna test this out in the dark. All right, so it's pitch black. It is completely dark now. Swinging around in Spider-Man, it seems to be doing a pretty good job. I don't notice any actual controller lag or anything. So it's pretty responsive. Keep in mind, having the projector at this size, it loses some quality. So what I'm gonna do is scoot it up closer and see what kind of quality we get with a smaller screen. As of right now, I've got it at about 30-inch screen and it looks great. I mean, it's not too bad. Again, it's not super detailed. Let me see if I can focus it just a little bit more. Oh, there we go. Dang, okay, well I just focused it even more. So now it looks even better. Now the volume control, when you're holding the side, but you hold the side button and that brings up the volume control. But it's pretty basic. That's all the controls that it actually has, just the power button and the volume control. So it's real simple to operate. Really what these things are gonna be geared more toward is gonna be people that travel, that may need to give presentations or something like that. But as you saw yourself, this is capable of even playing Spider-Man. A lot of time with certain projectors, you'll actually get some sort of like a lag between the controller and the projector and what you're seeing, but in this case I didn't really notice anything, and Spider-Man is a pretty fast-paced fighting game, so it played it pretty well. But yeah, overall I think it's a pretty good little projector. It's not bad looking at all. All right guys, well that is it. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description below as usual. You guys know what to do. Go check it out for yourself, but as for now, get out of here.